But American intervention in Haiti is a big part of the reason we're here today, and America has certainly been a key player in Haiti's long unfolding story. Haiti's independence was established in 1804 off the back of a slave revolt against the French rulers of the island. But in the years that followed, France would force the new nation to hand over most of its revenue as, quote, reparations for the revolution, which hampered Haiti's economic growth. At the outset of World War I, President Woodrow Wilson ordered the invasion and occupation of Haiti. He cited political instability and potential German influence in the region, but it was really Wall Street that benefited. America took control of Haiti's financial assets, literally removing gold bars from the Haitian National Bank and transporting them to New York, and installing a forced labor system on the island. American Marines and Haitian subordinates used a constant state of martial law, killing and torturing several thousand Haitian civilians between 1915 and 1934. America's eyes shifted toward the specter of global communism later in the 20th century, and the U.S. looked to prop up anti-communist leaders across the world, including in Haiti. Francois Duvalier, known as Papa Doc, was elected president of Haiti in 1957 with U.S. support, but his regime would turn autocratic. He held sham elections, he installed himself president for life, and utilized undercover death squads to kill opponents. His son, known as Baby Doc Duvalier, succeeded him, employing many of the same tactics, and the two combined would rule Haiti from 1957 to 1986. All the while, they would continue to receive U.S. aid. But we weren't done in Haiti. In 1994, the U.S. led a military mission named Operation Uphold Democracy to restore the overthrown president, Jean-Bertrand Aristide, to power. The U.S. was committed to supporting Aristide, at least publicly, although the CIA was deeply skeptical about his policies. A decade later, in 2004, Aristide would be ousted again. But this time, the United States would simply bankroll a UN intervention. That mission, known by its French acronym MINUSTAH, would remain in Haiti until 2016. But throughout the years, MINUSTAH officials would face accusations of sexual exploitation and human rights abuses. 9,000 Haitians died from a cholera outbreak, which was linked to UN peacekeepers from Nepal. American intervention in Haiti has always been in our own interest, which is why, as we get involved in the next chapter of Haiti's long unfolding story, it is crucial that Haitians are the drivers of their own destiny. Lest we forget, as Jonathan Katz wrote in Foreign Policy magazine last year, in all, the U.S. military and its proxies have been in Haiti for at least 41 of the last 108 years, always in the name of securing peace, political stability, and human rights, and never actually succeeding in doing it.